Okay, welcome everyone. Community Day, August 12th. We've got just a chill stream here once again. SDXL has been developing, moving along, and there's been lots of updates. We're going to try some stuff out today, try some new things, see what works, see what doesn't. I've got a whole pile of LoRa that I've kind of been sifting through this morning, looking for some good ones, looking for some weird ones. And yeah, we'd love to, see how these LoRa respond to different models, how it works with SDXL. And yeah, we can go through this and kind of figure out what works best. Also, at the request of the Creators Club, we will be doing some deforum stuff later in the show. So stick around. We're going to be trying some ControlNet, trying some different things using deforum with SDXL, which is cool and new. And see how it goes. All right, we've got some funny comments in the chat there. We do love our community here. You guys are great, and we've got a lot of really awesome stuff in store for you. Unfortunately, I have to keep a lot of it under wraps. We don't want to get ahead of ourselves. But I do want to just briefly touch on some of the things that we've been working on. I've been visiting with the team and kind of privy to our future plans, and there's so much awesome stuff going on. What I can talk about now is it's sort of an interesting time for us where, SDXL is developing, and in the process, there's still a lot of development work that needs to be done on basic things like ControlNet and getting it to work properly in the platforms. All the platforms need to be running it. So what we've done is we've taken this little bit of downtime and we've been really pulling apart the back end and just making sure that the experience is the best possible for everyone. What that means is we've done a lot of infrastructure work to make sure that the servers are stable, that you have them available. I don't know if you've seen lots of our large cards will get used on busy days and then there's not cards available. We're working on different ways that we can get more cards to you guys. So you should have better availability on the larges now. Should have better performance internationally. We are a US company, and we had in the past some routing issues. So now better international coverage for these network routing paths. A lot of it is just down to how you reach our servers. So we've done some work there, and yeah, keep giving us feedback, keep letting us know what's working, what's not. We love to hear that. So we're staring at automatic 1111 here, and let's get some stuff going. I've got a lot of fun LoRa's that we can try. We can see what we get. All right, so first thing, when you boot this up, you do get a 1.5 model. So just make sure you change to these SDXL, base, or the Run Diffusion or Dream Shaper. Let's just start with base for now. We do need to make sure that the VAE is on automatic. These are all 1.5 VAEs. So for a new person, I know it's a little confusing. What is a VAE, right? It's making a small, minute change, but they don't all work across different base models like SDXL, 1.5. And by all means, if you have any questions, anything, let me know in the chat. Happy to answer those as well. It's, community day. It's not me talking day. So definitely put any questions about anything about what we do in the chat, or about the process that we're going through here, and I'm happy to answer. You may have noticed if you try to make a 512 image on SDXL, it doesn't work that well. So let's change this to 1024. Oof. I don't know, my computer really doesn't like the load here. It might be a little bit slow. Apologies for that. SDXL does have a VAE built in. Early when it came out, there were some questions. You may have seen like the eyes were slightly off, facial features, that kind of thing. They did release a fix. So the more recent version has the fixed VAE for it. If you go online, you can also find on Hugging Face like a pruned VAE, which is slightly smaller and loads faster. It does not do something similar to the refiner. So the refiner is something that has been a bit of a challenge in the delivery of SDXL. You know, what I've seen is with the refiner, it's sort of almost like an image to image pass that like cleans up the image. And a lot of the platforms haven't really been able to figure out how to use it. You know, on Comfy, people are like kind of guessing how the refiner works and trying to make it work. And then on Automatic, you use the refiner and it kind of feels similar to Restore Faces, where it like smooths out a lot of the detail and it's like losing a bit of the initial generation. At least that's what I find. So there's really like a weird thing with the refiner. I think I like the idea that they had, but like, and as an example, if you put a LoRa in, the LoRa isn't affected by the refiner. So the refiner will like roll back some of the things that the LoRa did. This should not be taking this long, so not sure what's going on there. I will spin up a second session just to make sure got an extra box going. Shouldn't have any issues there, but again, my computer is struggling on the streaming part. I might have to like turn off streaming, I think. Yeah, YouTube will have to wait.